So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Dixon Technologies share. So we know that today little correction was seen in Dixon Technologies, but market was moving in a good positive manner. So previously, when we have discussed about Dixon Technologies, we have discussed the complete fundamentals, and after the split, we have discussed what are the next possible levels as well. So currently, it is trying to sustain the levels. So what would be the next immediate target? So that also we'll try to find out. And few brokerages have given their target on Dixon. So what is that updated target? So that also we'll try to find out. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first let us see how the stock has traded today. So let us compare how much deliveries have been taken and compared to traded quantity. So if you see deliveries, 62.31% deliveries have been taken. You can see quantity traded is roughly around 2,62,000, and if you see deliverable wise, we have seen 1,63,000 shares have taken into delivery. So previously we know that deliveries were not that great in Dixon, but now since it has corrected little bit, so many people have taken the opportunity to buy at current market levels. So already we know it is a fundamentally very strong stock. Only thing is that it was in little overbought region for a certain while, but now we know the correction. I told you clearly, whenever market is correcting, try to accumulate good quality stocks. So that is best opportunity. So same thing today also Dixon has given the opportunity. So forget about market movement. So market, if it even slightly positive, we know that many stocks start recovering from low levels. So today also it was almost 1% positive. So that's why many stocks have recovered. So Dixon also is trying to move above the resistance. So that is well and good. So deliveries are increasing. So forget about next things. So now let's switch over to what are the major updates, especially regarding Dixon Technologies. Okay, so we know that ICICI Direct has also given the target, especially this company has given a target of 4,240, and you can see currently Dixon Technologies is trading near 3,600, and you can see they have given a very good positive rating on Dixon. So when they give the rating, so we know that there will be certain reasons, right? So what are the reasons? So clearly you can see here the brokerage believes significant future growth potential in domestic electronic manufacturing coupled with DTL plans to increase backward integration, and you can see earnings are also expected to increase, that is CAGR of 56% and 66%, and also you can see it believes that Dixon Technologies to continue command premium valuation due to its significant future growth and high return ratio. So brokerage told a strong buy signal on Dixon Technology. So obviously it is well known to all of us. So the business to which it belongs has high potential, especially related to mobile manufacturing, and also electrical goods are basic necessity. So after that, if you see financial results also, we know that they were almost up. Income was almost up 33.19%, and also total income, you can see it has gone up of 119.25% as compared to last year, and total income of stood at rupees near 995.64 crore, which came out to be 1638.99. So financials wise also nothing we are seeing major negative, only because the stock has given huge rally, right? So it is trying to retest those levels, trying to halt for a certain period of time, and again it will start to reverse. Okay, so what is the levels and all? So that also we'll try to find out. Okay, so let us compare the basic delivery. So we'll understand how the accumulation is happening at the low levels. So you have seen today's deliveries percentage roughly stood around 62%. And if you compare the previous day's deliveries, you can see on March 31st, you have seen 39% deliveries, previously 52, after that 39. So compared to all trading sessions, you're seeing a very good increment in deliveries, and 62% is well and good. So definitely everyone, they are trying to take the opportunity of the fall that was seen in Dixon Technologies. So I also told you, try to find quality stocks. So don't worry that you're in loss. So loss will be recovered. So there is no rocket science that when you invest only the stock should start going up. So it is not like that, right? So we need to even see the loss, we need to hold it, and then only we will see the profit. So that is healthy investment. Okay, so we know that recently the company has also released the updated shareholding pattern. So that is yesterday it has released the shareholding pattern. So you can see public is having almost you can say 64.96% is present, and you can see even the promoter is having 35.04%. So majorly we are seeing public holding is also very crucial, and also promoter is also showing a very good interest, and we can say decent of 35% holding is present. So this is basic shareholding pattern. So quickly we'll go to technical charts, because that is very important, because the levels where you have entered are going to be very important. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So you can see this is the 1 hour chart of Dixon Technologies. So you can see the stock has shown continuous correction. Okay, in 1 hour time frame we have seen continuous downfall in the stock. After that it has shown considerable, it has tried to move up, but you can see it has broke the trend line. So after it has broke the trend line, it was some negativeness was seen in the stock. So after that, next immediate support which we can see is near this particular region. So what is that region? 3550. So this is the next possible support for this particular company. How to confirm that? So you can see money flow index, when it has gone to oversold, ultimately it has gone up. So you can see that on technical charts as well. So now since it is trying to go up, it is showing some sort of bullishness, and you can see immediately the resistance where it is facing is 3757. So that is going to be the next possible resistance. So earlier also it has tried to break that particular level, but it was not able to go because the volume was not being generated. So now since deliveries have also been achieved, so coming days are going to be very crucial. Okay, so let us simplify this particular chart a little bit. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. So you can see in 4 hours time frame also, you can see same thing. The stock is a little bit of oversold regions. That's why a reversal may happen at any point of time. Try to accumulate at the level. So you can see this is the major line that it is trying to respect. So you can see currently it is near that particular region only. It is trading near those particular levels. So as discussed, next immediate target would be 3750. So we need to watch out that support wise already we discussed. First is 3550, after that 3500. Okay, so make sure you watch these levels clearly and then wholly trade accordingly. So don't try to put any bulk investment, try to accumulate in small portions, like 2 shares, again 2 shares. So like that you can accumulate this particular stock for long term. So nothing major negatives, only nominal correction as well as profit booking is seen. Okay, so further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section or on Instagram. So until then, take care, bye bye.